This lady is making some lovely mosaic, like this mirror here, for me. It's very nice.
Oh, very pretty.
What was?
Mukka, I'm going to get really cross with you in a minute, but just for now, I'll say zap.
What's she doing?
She's decorating that mirror.
Ooh, pretty mirror.
Yes, she's decorating it with little tiles. It's called Mosaic.
Ooh.
Oh, lovely gloopy stuff.
Yeah, that's what she uses to stick down the tiles.
Great, more gloop. Oh, she's putting it everywhere.
Yeah, that makes sure that all the tiles are stuck down.
Oh, look, now she's cleaning it up.
There. Doesn't it look lovely?
Ooh, yes.
Okay, first question. What do we call the type of decoration that we just saw?
Oh, it was a funny name, wasn't it? Was it, Mosaic?
Mukka?
Oh, I'm awfully sorry, Tigs. I wasn't listening.
Oh, so that's your answer, is it? Great. And what do you think is the name for this type of decoration? Mosaic or something else?
What was the question?
Oh,
I might have got it right.
no, you
I
wouldn't.
just didn't hear it.
It's called Mosaic.
Oh, yes, of course.
Never mind fluffy, puffy, waffy stuff.
So, no shinies here. But if you got it right,
Give yourself a shiny.
What was it called again? You see, I wasn't really listening.
Mosaic! It's called Mosaic. She was making a mosaic.
Mosaic.
I thought it was mosaic.
It is mosaic.
Mosaic.
No, it's mosaic.
Oh, I'm confused now. Where does the hic come in?
It doesn't. Oh, Mukka's made me so cross. It's giving me the hiccups.
Okay, so it's mosaic.
Yes.
Do you think we better get on?
Yeah, come on, Tigs. I'm listening now.
Right. Next question. What shape were the mosaic tiles that Amy was using? Were they round? Were they triangles? Or were they square?
I think they were square. Weren't they?
Oh, dear. I can't remember, so I'll say round.
And what about you? What shape do you think the tiles were?
Quite funny, isn't it? Can't say mosaic again.
They were square. So, well done to Mukka for managing to pay attention.
Yippee! A shiny for me and fluffy stuff. Yeah.
Did you get it right? If you did,
Give yourself a shiny.
time to count those shinies.
Count your shinies more and more. That's the way to find your score.
Right, I've got... Oh, Plum. I haven't got any.
Oh dear. I've got 1. 1.
Oh, never mind. It's early days yet. And you lot, keep account of your shinies too. Now, come on you two, come and see what I've got.
We know what you've got. Hiccups.